are back again. Welcome back to the channel. Same spot as last weekend because we had a bit of success out here, so why go somewhere different? So we're about same as last time, 20 odd kilometres, 25 kilometres offshore here. There's a big patch of reef that runs sort of north to south, and today being the full moon, there's a fair bit of current. It's just dropped out a little bit at the moment because the tide is turning at the moment. And I am been fishing a little bit of live bait earlier, but we had a lot of trouble getting live bait actually. A little bit of live bait. I had two, lost them pretty well straight away. And now I'm using a soft plastic, which is a rare thing for me. I've never really had a lot of success on the soft plastics. But one of the other guys, Fred, put out a soft plastic earlier and caught a nice snapper, so I figured I better give it a crack again. So we're in 79, 80 metres here. It's a big drop. The soft plastic slowly wafting down, and a bit hard to tell when it's getting to the bottom or near the bottom. So I'm just going to sort of make sure that I'm close to the bottom, and then I'll bring it up a little bit. Yeah, it looks like we're just about there. Yeah, that's it. That's one. Oh, it's a good fish too. Oh, it's a good fish. Beauty. Oh, yeah. Good snapper, I think. I might break the hoodoo on the soft plastic. Haven't caught a fish on a soft plastic for 2 years. Guess I haven't tried very hard either. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, that's what I wanted. That's changed my mind about soft plastics, I can tell you that. Oh yes. There we go. Decent snapper. Can you see that?
Come in, Paul.
I've broken the hoodoo onto soft plastics.
Nice. What did you get?
Yeah, 60.
Yeah, well done. What size jig were you using?
1 ounce. I want to say thanks very much for watching the channel too. It's really great to have so many people coming back and commenting. I enjoy the comments and the camaraderie that we get. It's good going out with mates, but it's good having a YouTube audience as well to watch the videos. I have a friend. There he is. Look at that. He's hanging around me. There's a distinct lack of bait today. We had a lot of trouble getting live bait at the usual bait grounds. Between 4 of us, 4 people on skis, I think there was a total of about 6 yakkets caught on the bait this morning, so a bit dismal. So we've had to try other stuff. I think I'm on the bottom. Okay. Oh yes, I have a snapper, I'd say. Another one, good size. We shall see. We shall see. Old soft plastics, hey? Who'd have thought? I mean, about 1 million fishermen use soft plastics. It's just me, I've not got into them, and I'll tell you what, they're diabolical on the snapper. Just use them a little overhead. Probably not quite the right reel for this, but so it seems easiest for dropping. Here it comes. We have some colour. Oh yes. Oh yes. And we have another. Another one about the same size, 50 or 60 centimeters. Awesome. He smashed that soft plastic. Look at that. There we go. It's about 55, this one, about 55, 56. I just did another drop, so must be getting close to the bottom now. But you know, it's a long way down, 80 metres. So very surprising for me to use soft plastics and have success. Everybody's probably looking at me going, oh, what's the problem with that guy? I always use soft plastics, but I don't know, I haven't had the opportunity, I guess, or I don't know, other things have worked for me. But yeah, it seems to be working well on the big snap today. I think I'll be coming back and getting some more of these. There's a 2.5 knot current out here. Very strong today. I guess we've got a full moon and a big tide coming up, so it's going to be even stronger, I think, pretty soon. Change of tide. Okay, nearly on the bottom. At the bottom of the line. Smaller, I think. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's about the same, I'd say. Having a dig. There he comes. There he's coming up. Oh yes. Oh yes, another one. Similar size. Oh, good quality snapper today. Very good quality. He's going to come out, isn't he? Oh, better not risk him. Falling out.